This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. In this box I have some Christmas light. Christmas is very near. This is the month of October, so you're preparing for Christmas. So you have some big Christmas light. One would be 6 into 2 meter, 6 meter long, 2 meter height, and another 3 into 2. So I have different type of light in this to unbox, and I'm using a big knife, big dagger for this one to unbox. To put some glass here, let's see, cutting this box. I hope I will not cut my hand in this process. Okay, lovely beautiful boxes I can see inside. Cutting off all this. Lovely. I think this part is done. Can cut on the edge as well. Let's see. So it will be easy access to the lights. There we go. Now put the knife on side safely before I cut my hand. Okay, here we go. I take this out. One first pack. You can see here. This is curtain light, 240 leads. In this case you have, I think, height here you see is written is 3 meter wide, 2 meter height. In this case 16 lines of light you have here, curtain light. Lovely. This is one. After that, this is the big one. Here we go. You see the lovely part here. Curtain light, 384 leads in this case you have, and here also information is written. 6 meter wide, 2 meter height, 24 lines of light you have connected with the plug directly. No battery, because battery you have to spend a lot of money buying batteries on that. And 2 more, they are basically the same as the 240. I have bought many of them. Okay, so more than 1,000 lights we have here. So we'll open a pack. Lovely packaging in this case, obviously surely made in China. Here, production of China, guarantee and other things. So let me take this up. Price could be of this product from $10 to $20 where you are. Okay, could be more expensive. Cheaper, I don't think so, but more expensive possible. You can see here the light. Take this off from the box. They are big, almost 240 lights. So there are a lot of lights in this case. You see, beautiful. I prefer this one than the other one. Now you have one slim light. That's so much difficult to arrange. This one is more comfortable. You can see lovely plug. This is Latin American plug. You can ask for European American plug as well. That will be easy. Here you have a controller. It should have 8 modes, so you can check. You see here 8 modes you can change. You click one after another, change the modes. Lovely. So you can see here this curtain light with 240 lights in this. So this is a button. You can change the mood of blinking. Can control. So this is without any music, because music sometimes bothers you, and no battery. You connect with the plug directly. This goes inside. Lovely. Let's go to the bigger one here. Lovely packaging, 384 leads here in this case. Model number here, origin is China, coming from China. Let me take this off this pack. There we go. Similar as other one, but more bigger. It's big. You see, huge, a lot of lights. 384, almost 400 lights in this. See the plug. You can ask European plug, American plug, depends where you are. Here is, you can see a controller. With this you can control 8 model, 8 option. You have 8 blinking. If you click, it will change the blinking of the light. But look at this. This is very lovely. As usual, I like more this classical one than the latest one, the more slim light. That's so much difficult to organize. If you have 200, 300, 600 light, they make a mess out of it. But this one is more easy to save as well. So after Christmas, if you want to pack it back and save as it is comes, okay. You can see here how it looks. This is the button. You can change the mood of the light blinking, every option. So this is 384 light you have here together. Obviously, when you hung them, it will look much better. This doesn't have any music because sometimes music is bothering. So only light in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.